हरि करना।
Now let's look into one crazy topic, that's regression to the mean. Regression regression to the mean refers to a phenomenon involving successive measurements on a given variable. So extreme observations tend to be followed by more central ones. Attaching special focus and meaning to the extreme values can lead to a form of selection bias. So, sports fans are familiar with the rookie of the year sophomore slump phenomenon. Among the athletes who begin their career in a given season, the rookie class, there is always one who performs better than all the rest. Generally, this rookie of the year does not do as well in his second year. Why not? In nearly all major sports, at least who those played with a ball or a puck, there are two elements that play a role in overall performance. One, it's skill. Two, it's a luck. Regression to the mean is a consequence of a particular form of selection bias. When we select the rookie with the best performance, skill and good luck are probably contributing. In his next season, the skill will still be there, but very often the luck will not be. So his performance will decline, it will regress. It will regress. So the phenomena was first identified by Francis Galton in 1886, who wrote of it in connection with genetic tendencies. For example, tall men the children of extremely tall men tend not to be as tall as their father. That's what this experiment or study shows. So just look here. This is the height in inches for the mid parents. Started from here, and the mean height is 68 inches, and as it goes up till 70 to 73 inches. But they plotted their respective children's there on top of them. So, and there is always a difference. Other than few cases, many cases there is a difference here. You see that, the height who are shorter, their children are pretty no better than them. They have a much higher height than them. When it comes to uh, the the parents, the mid parents who are taller, their children are shorter. You see that the mid parents who are taller, there is a difference of around 1 or 2 inches in between them. See, this is the mid parents height, and they are much taller, but when it comes to their children, they are shorter than their parents. It doesn't mean they're completely shorter, but they're shorter than their taller parents. It's comparison. When mid parents are taller than mediocrity, this is the mediocrity, their children tend to be shorter than they. So the deviates of the children are to those of their mid parents as 2 to 3. And in this case, when mid parents are shorter than mediocrity, this is the mediocrity, their children tend to be taller than they. That's what it's saying. See, you see that? For that, they have used the regression to the mean concept. So regression to the mean is nothing but go back. That's it says. Regression to the mean is nothing but go back. Regression to the mean is a distinct from the statistical modeling method of linear regression. The linear regression and regression to the mean are not same. Both are not same. So in which a linear relationship is estimated between predictor variables and an outcome variable, which is nothing but the linear regression. Whereas a regression to the mean is meaning go back.